Hi, today I'm for XIAOMI Poco C65 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and on the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then just go back and tap to switch input methods. Switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check our new keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.